Today, we're going to be taking a look at a plastic Emerson ceiling fan. The Emerson designer came in many different shapes and sizes. Most of the earlier ones are plastic. Not exactly sure whether this one fits under the label of Emerson designer or not, but it is definitely a plastic Emerson fan. It has plastic wood grain blades and an antique brass light fitter. With these circle-shaped vents. As far as I know, the circle vents means it's Emerson. If they were more oval and oblong, then it would be Sears. But I'm not too well versed in Emerson fans, so if I'm wrong, someone in the comments can correct me. As I said, the blades are a plastic wood grain. They're probably the heaviest part of the whole fan, as since the housing is plastic, it does not weigh very much. Canopy is a bit yellowed out, and because the canopy is also made of plastic, the set screw broke out of it because these things suck, so I put it up with tape instead. And there's the light. Overall, this fan is in pretty good shape. The one issue it does have is the blades are pretty badly out of balance. But everything else, cosmetic condition, bearings, all that stuff is all really good. And this one is a 2-speed model. And please pardon the bug that's photobombing the shot right now. Don't even know what kind of bug that is. Maybe a cicada? And there's high. Thankfully though, despite the blades being as out of balance as they are, it doesn't wobble that much. And there you go, a 42-inch white plastic Emerson fan.